So next we'll start with the multiplexer. As I told you कि combinational circuit में से you will get one question, either adder, either subtractor, either multiplexer or either demultiplexer. So we'll start with the multiplexer today. Multiplexer is a special type of combinational circuit. Okay, so multiplexer means like it will have n number of inputs. It will have n number of inputs and it will have only one output in each and every case. Okay, so multiplexer are of type of like 2 raised power 1, 2 is to 1. Then we'll have 2 raised power 2 is to 1. Then we'll have 2 raised power 3 is to 1. Then we'll have 2 raised power 4 is to 1 and so on. Got it? So it would be 2 is to 1, it would be 4 is to 1, it would be 8 is to 1 and it would be 16 is to 1. Correct? So if we'll have n is to 1 means we'll have n number of inputs, right? Like suppose if we'll have, yeah, I'm taking the standard of 4 is to 1, then that would be more clear to you. 4 is to 1 means, as you know, 4 means, tell me how many should be the inputs? 4 inputs. So 4 inputs are represented by the 4 lines. It always start with a 0. So it would be D0, then D1, then D2 and then D3. Okay. So in the last it would be D raised power n minus 1 because 4 है, 0 से start कर रहे तो एक क्या होगा हमेशा कम होगा, राइट? क्लियर? एंड आउटपुट क्या होगा 1 होगा, राइट? एक मिनट, ये चल नहीं रहा। इसमें देखो बेसिकली इफ आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू कि सपोज इफ यू विल हैव वन अलमीरा, एक अलमीरा है तुम्हारे पास और उसमें 2 बॉक्सेस है, 4 बॉक्सेस है, 1 2 3 4, ठीक है? Like suppose this is one of your almirah, 1 2 3 4 boxes you will have. In the top of the box, suppose you put it jeans, then you put it t-shirt, then you put it lowers, and then you put it like belt and other accessories. Okay, now you don't want to touch it, but you want, if I select 0 0, then jeans will automatically come out. Okay, at a single time only one thing will come out from the one box. Okay, like suppose if you are saying if I put 0 1, then t-shirt will come out. Okay, if I put 1 0, then lower will come out. If I'll put 1 1, then belt will come out. Okay, so this is the thing you have done automated, right? If I press this, this will come out. Similarly, we are doing this thing in the multiplexer. So for these numbers you should select now. So for these we'll have one select lines, that is known as select lines. Got it? So it would be for 2 raised power n is equal to m, where we'll have, how many are the select lines? Sorry, I wrote it opposite formula. The formula is 2 raised power m is equal to n, where m is the number of select line. Okay, like as I told you, we have taken 4 is to 1 multiplexer, so n की value क्या होगी 4 होगी, so 2 raised power m is equal to 4. So tell me what should be the value for m? 2. So how many should be the select line in this case? 2. Correct? If suppose if we'll have 8 is to 1 multiplexer, then again we'll have same formula. Now in this case n is equal to 8. How many there should be the select line? Two raised power m is 3. So m should be 3. So for 2 is to 1, 1 select line. 4 is to 1 multiplexer, 2 select line. For 8 is to 1 multiplexer, 3 select line. Correct? Okay. So now in this we'll have 2 select line, and select line is denoted by S0 and S1. Right? Any doubt up to here? Okay. Fine. So what we need to do it further, we have to draw the truth table. I'm rubbing this one. Now tell me, if there are if there are two inputs, then how many are the how many are the possible combinations? Like suppose in your room there are two bulbs, right? One of the bulb is S0 and another of the bulb is S1. Then how many are the possible combinations? Correct, 4. So it would be 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Got it? And output y is denoted by, like if you will select 0 0, then in that case y is the output. In that case it is inside, it's like a switch. Okay, then in that case it would be connected to D node. If you select 0 1, then in that case it would be connected to D1. If it have 1 1, then it will be selected to D2. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Remember in the in the K map also we have done use the same form, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Correct? Every time we are using the same form, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, or 0 1 0 1. So if you'll select 1 1, then the switch is connected to D2. Simple funda. Note down this thing. Now back to this 4 is to 1 multiplexer. Now first step is to draw the block diagram. This one is the block diagram. Next step is to draw the truth table. Next step we have to get expression from the truth table. Okay, so see what would be the expression over here. S1 is 0, so wherever in digital we'll get 0, then we'll get bar, right? And S0 is also 0, so we'll represent it by S0 bar. So what we can write it here, S1 bar, S0 bar and D0. Then plus for the second one, similarly we'll have S1 bar, S0 and D1, right? Now you tell me for the third case. After getting the expression, we have to realize this expression with the help of logic gates. ठीक है? So we'll have mainly two inputs, S0 and S1. Correct? So if I'm drawing first one for you, S1 bar, S0 bar and D0, they all are multiplied. So for the multiplication, it will be connected to the AND gate, right? So it would be S1 is there, S0 bar, S1 bar, and then S0 bar and D0, right? These are connected to the AND gate. Now complete this table by according to this expression. We are having completely opposite of the mux, right? So mux में will have number of inputs and one output. In the demux we'll have only one output, will have one input, will have multiple output. Okay, understood? So like suppose it is 1 is to 8 ka multiplexer, then 1 D0 is the input and output is Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 and up to so on Y7. Correct? Here. So similarly, you have to draw truth table for the demultiplexer for 1 is to 8. Now again, how many should be the select line in this case? Tell me. If there is 1:8 demarks, how many should be the select line? In this truth table, we'll have 3 inputs, right? Which one is the 3 input? 3 select line, correct? So one is S0, S1 and S2, and we'll have 7 output. 0 से लेकर 7 तक means we'll have 8 outputs, right? Y7 उल्टा चलो, Y6 यहाँ पे भी उल्टा चलना है, यहाँ पे भी Y5, Y4, Y3, Y2, Y1, Y0, correct? Yeah, यहाँ तक. Now if we'll have 3 inputs, then how many are the possible combinations? Tell me. For 3 inputs, we'll have 8 possible combinations. So it means 4 times 0, 4 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 2 times 0, 2 times 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Correct? So for the first case, for the very first case, as you know, for 0, 0, 0 select line, output should be y0, है ना? तो यहाँ पे हमने इनपुट कितना दिया? सपोज वी हैव गिवन डीन. तो अगर फर्स्ट सिलेक्ट करा है 0 0 0 सिलेक्ट करा है तो वाई नॉट शुड बी कनेक्टेड विद डीन, है ना? एंड सोन. इफ हमने लास्ट सिलेक्ट करा है 1 1 1 तो डीन शुड बी कनेक्टेड विद y7, करेक्ट? तो फर्स्ट वाले पे क्या हो जाएगा? y0 पे डीन, देन y1 पे डीन, देन थर्ड वाले केस में y2 पे डीन, देन सोन, एंड लास्ट वाले केस में 1 1 1 में लास्ट वाले पे मतलब y7 पे आउटपुट आएगी, राइट? तो बाकी सब पे क्या होगी? 0 0. तो सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी सारे में क्या होगी? 0. ऐसे डायगनली आउटपुट आएगी. समझे? लाइक वेरी फर्स्ट केस इज 0 0 0, तो डीन शुड बी कनेक्टेड टू y0, राइट? तो फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट केस 0 0 0, y0 की आउटपुट कितनी होगी? डीन डीन. इसका मतलब y1 कितना होगा? 0, y2 0, y3 0, y4 0, y5 0, y6 0 and y7 0. Got it?